Hello everyone, my name is Mony and I'm the lead game developer here at Dragonlance Studios. Today I want to give a brief introduction and quick overview of our new Unity asset, TBS 2D turn-based battle system. This system is designed for beginners and advanced users alike to be able to easily get started creating 2D turn-based RPGs or similar game types. This system includes the following features: side view battle system, ability system with other kinds of abilities you want to create, items and inventory system complete with a character menu UI where you can use and equip items from the UI menu, a loot system with a victory screen to display the loot gained and experience and gold acquired, a leveling system with customizable level curves and level progression to be able to gain increases to stats and gain abilities for each character or enemy, static and random encounter system where you can have static enemy mobs that you can encounter, or an area which you can encounter various enemies based on the number of steps you take, and several other features not mentioned included, and new features are being developed for future releases. I want to go ahead and get started with the walkthrough and getting everything set up for TBS. To get started, after you acquire the asset from the Unity Asset Store, you'll be able to install it from the package manager within Unity. I'm not going to be installing it from the package manager, but I'll show you where to go to install it from the package manager. You go ahead and go to Window, you go to Package Manager, and then you go to My Assets. You can search for the asset for it, which in this case you're not going to find anything, but when you do search for it, it'll search TBS and it'll pop up. And then you can click Download and then Import after it installs. I'm going to manually go ahead and import it since I have it already ready to go. And we want to make sure to have TextMesh Pro imported, since this asset does require TextMesh Pro. This will take just a moment here to get everything set up. It'll ask you if you want to import the project to overwrite your current project settings. This is because it's importing tags and input settings that is going to overwrite your current settings. So you want to go ahead and click Import, and then click Import again. Perfect. You'll see a DLS folder, TBS folder, and then you'll see demo scenes and documentation along with all the other folders for the project. First thing I want to highlight is that there's a documentation folder, which will have a user guide, PDF, and docx, which you can open up, and it will show the documentation and the getting started guide for everything that you can go through. And you can also go to the HTML folder and type in index and open up this file, and this will actually go to the breakdown of every single class documented in the code, and all the methods and all the properties are all documented, so you can easily have API documentation for everything. So it's a little obtuse to get to, but it's right there if you go to the index and the documentation. So to get started with the demo, go ahead and go to the demo scenes folder in the main DLS TBS directory and open it up. You'll see this scene. Go ahead and make sure that you're in 16:9 aspect ratio in the game. This is all the UI is designed currently for 16:9 aspect ratio. Future releases, we plan on making the UI and game scenes more flexible to more aspect ratios. But for now, the current version 0.8 release is set up for 16:9. So go ahead and get started. You can go and click the play button, and you can move around. You can open up the menu by clicking the menu button or pressing escape. Pressing escape back and forth, and you can see your level 1. Don't have any items or equipment or anything yet, but that's there. Let's go ahead and go into an encounter. Let's walk into the slime. And as you can see, you have a console, and it tells you everything that's going on. So if you go ahead and click attack, you can attack or defend, or if you can flee. So since you don't have any skills, magic, or items at the beginning right now until you get more levels or items as you progress. However, if you go ahead and attack, you can select the slime. It turns green, as you can see, for highlighting. And it will pop up, and it will say in the editor that you attacked and the max damage you can do and the defense and everything like there. So you can attack for all these, and we'll see if we can attack back. We can do that. You can get a victory screen. You get a health potion. We get some gold. Get some experience, and you can continue. That's a static encounter. Now a random encounter is over here in this tall grass. You can go walk around here. There we go. Random encounter. Oh, that slime did damage to us, and then we can go ahead and attack. And everything's... There we go. And our potion. So there you go. And you can go ahead and see now that in your inventory you have potions you can use, and you can select a player to use it on. See, everyone's fully healed right now. Otherwise, I would heal them. But that's that. So this has just been a quick overview of the TBS system. Please follow and subscribe for future videos and tutorials for this system and updates. Thank you all for watching.